Your environment is your mindset. We can blame external forces as much as we want, but your environment is your mindset. Who can heal you if you can't heal yourself? Who can love you if you can't love yourself? Who can appreciate you if you don't appreciate yourself? Who can give you abundance if you are not abundant? I'm sitting here thinking to myself, what is the point of it all? These people wake up every day, going to work 5 times a week to beautiful restaurants or retailers, only to come back to these settlements. What is hard work? What is resilience? What is discipline? What is faith? What is money? When all you can be is here. Now, how can you blame their cruelty, criminality, substance abuse, and animosity when they are the products of injustice, corruption, and capitalism?